Hey people, it's another week, another series of events in the Big Brother house that needs some context. My name is Toke Makinwa and I will be taking you through some of the Big Brother house shenanigans from the past few days. Okay, so the big news obviously was the Monday night nomination session, which usually happens after the new head of house is chosen. Because that way everybody knows who is immune. Things went a little differently this week. But let's cut to the chase. Emmanuel is the head of house and saved himself from nomination. Pere, as runner-up, used his save and replaced to save himself, and threw Queen under the bus.
And I replace myself with Queen.
Dude, awkward. She's sitting right next to you. Emmanuel, in a stunning move that surprised absolutely nobody, selected Liquor Rose as his deputy head of house, moving them both into a cozy little deluxe bedroom. Yeah, we all saw that coming. Now, what we didn't see coming was the goldfish. That one was new to us, and how the housemates will react to their new pets. That was also weird.
And my fish is very calm. Very, very calm. So today is the naming ceremony.
A naming ceremony for a fish? I think this house is getting to them. In his defense, he did come up with a decent name, Obianuju. Some of the other housemates could have done with thinking things through just a little bit.
I named him Nemo.
Wow, Yusuf, amazing. You called your fish Nemo? What a stunning display of your unique personality.
We're already getting along. I gave her a pet's name already. Her name is Green.
Green? You called your goldfish Green? You said you and your fish are getting along well. How do you know this exactly? Did your goldfish drop you a DM to let you know?
I tried speaking to her, but she will not listen. Big brother, my fish is very stubborn.
Nini's fish is stubborn. What does a stubborn goldfish look like? Have you ever heard of a phenomenon called projection? Of course you haven't. You're the kind of person who thinks that goldfish is stubborn.
I'm trying to understand her language, so it's taking me a bit of time. Maybe a few more days I'll be able to understand what she says.
Cross, cross, cross. Fish linguistics is a very difficult subject that takes years to master. You just don't have the time in Biggie's house to learn your goldfish language. Now, I've got half a mind to make a snarky comment about that, but maybe Queen is being a little smarter than she seems. Okay, sure, she's talking to a fish, but is she really talking to a fish? Or is she talking to us?
Queen mama, you have to be a strong girl. Because your mama is a strong girl.
Queen has had a difficult few days with doing the stuff she does and not getting much in return. There was this, for example.
Hey!
Yeah, the look on White Money's face is not one that just says, yeah, I'm digging this.
Not.
Isn't that Hickey the grind?
She's just not getting a lot of love, is she? Of course, Queen talks a lot, so she's not going to let this all go down in silence. Or is she?
You guys have been close and I've not had any issue about it, including ordered whatever. Seriously, I don't want to even say anything because I fear I'll be misunderstood.
White Money is starting to lose that veneer of implacable calm, right? He seems a bit frustrated. Right, we want to bring your attention to this.
While I was putting energy, the head of house game, I wanted to like save.
Seriously?
No, I wanted to save White Money.
Oh.
Yeah, or Jackie B.
We see you, Yusuf. They may not realize it, but all of the housemates are super open with you. You've somehow managed to get yourself into their good books. Now, if you could just hurry things along in your diary sessions, that would be great. Oh, and we can't believe we're back on this topic, but let's look across J. Paul and Sasuke again.
Stay, don't go. I want to come back and see you here, relaxed.
Baby, I was waiting for you. You're taking too much time.
So I'm not going to whine myself or waste my time. I'm not a pushover. So
Cross. If you're not a pushover, why are you still getting all bent out of shape about this?
I'm going to stop asking. If you don't kiss me, I'm just going to suppose that I'm not your bestie again.
Yeah.
Now, Angel seems to have a thing for Cross, even though she's terrible at expressing herself. But spare a thought for what she must have felt like when she walked into the bedroom and found this. You might think that's harmless cuddling, but just a few hours later, Cross lets himself down by doing this.
We're going to go to Abia and we're going to get to Imo.
That's Owere.
Yeah, Owere. I'll make sure you're
All
taking
set.
And do you know what they say?
It's my guy's wedding. I'm part of the groomsmen.
Cross, my dude, let it go now. But then J. Paul went and played this power move.
You deserve flowers every day.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what check and mate looks like. Where was Cross doing all of this? Ugh. Spare a thought for Angel, though. After she found Cross in Sasuke's bed, she spent the next day looking like this. Now, don't worry too much. She was soon back to her old self.
I hate bald penises so much.
How did we enter? Not the head they talk about. How we take rich penis now?
And on that note, it's probably best to leave things right here. Please catch me on Showmax, The Buzz, which streams every Tuesday and Saturday from 7 p.m. Have a good one.